Hello everybody, welcome back to today's Halloween video. I will be creating El Día de los Muertos, Day of the Dead colorful skull look. Starting off with drawing in the hollow areas of the eyes, I will be using the NYX Cosmetics white pencil, so in case I make a mistake, it's easier to erase. Once you feel comfortable with the shape, I'll be applying an eyeshadow base. This one's from Anastasia Beverly, one of my favorite ones. I will be applying it on the hollow areas of the eye. Moving on to eyeshadow, I will be using the Be Perfect Carnival eyeshadow palette in collaboration with STACEY Marie. Here I'll be using two different brushes, one bigger and one slightly smaller. The big one will be to pack the product and the small one to blend it. If you can see here, I packed the dark eyeshadow on the outer corners and then used my small blending brush to smooth out the edges. Using my finger, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shimmer shades Fortune and Fair Play on the center of my eye crease. Moving on to mascara before my falsies. So here I'm using the lighter shade of foundation because I didn't want to use white paint, but obviously you could use white paint too. Here I'm drawing the hollow areas on the cheekbone using a black pencil. This one's from NYX Cosmetics. And also the areas around the nose. I decided to highlight the nose using the same shimmery shade. For the cheekbones, I started by packing a brown shade and blending it out with a clean brush. Make sure you use a light hand when you do it. Now I'm gonna move on to the lips. And here I'm using a red lipstick. This one's by MAC. And don't worry guys, all the products will be listed down in my description box. Using the same black pencil, I'm drawing a few flower leaves around my lips and also on my chin. This look was mostly inspired by a Pinterest look that I found looking for inspiration for the Day of the Dead. So now I will be sketching out the teeth on my lips, and I'm just here drawing lines starting on the center of the lip. This pencil is from House Laboratories. So now we move on to the gems, which is my favorite part. And I feel that the look would not be the same without it. I placed one on either side of my eye to highlight even more. I will be placing these colorful gems following the hollow areas of the eye. Now these gems I got from the dollar store. They're super affordable. And what I like about these gems the most is that they come in rows, so it's easier to apply it. I wanted a sun for my forehead, so I cut out the eye of the owl and placed it on. Now to add some color to my cheeks, I'm using here some blush. I ended up curling my hair slightly, and I placed this piece of fabric, which I got from the fabric store, as a veil on the back of my head, and I pinned it to secure it. If you have any colorful necklaces or earrings, I would recommend that you use it too. And now to finish up, I'm placing here this crown with flowers I made myself. If you want to know how I created this flower crown, go ahead and find me on Instagram at It's Laura Monroy, and in my stories where I have all my crafts, you will find it. And that is all for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. And yeah, have a great day, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao, ciao.